Okay, so some discrete portals are here. So are for services, resources, NAV testing, and products. And let me log in first at the service portal. And so you have brief of what we're going to see today or of what we saw in the presentation. So the services portal comprises of a service marketplace. It has a catalog with specific services that someone can order. The administrator, because this is an administrative view, can create service specifications, list or create, as you can see. It can import specific TMF-like specifications from NFV world, the ones that are available in the NFV portal, and also from the test world, which is also under the model of TMF. It can capture the service order that someone issues. We will have many of these today here. And the service order will comprise of specific services which will be shown in the service inventory. This is the service portal in essence. Every portal can have, in the administrative view, can have a management of organization and individuals. This is the party role management of TMF. And also the service itself provides monitoring, let's say, branch, which can support capturing of alarms of NAV world during this time, and provide specific specifications that someone, or recipes, that someone can leverage to cope with this alarm when they happen. So this is the service portal in short. Let's go to the product portal. The product portal also incorporates a marketplace, which is empty at this version of the portal. It can provide, it has discrete, let's say, UIs for every TMF model, which is product catalog, category, offering, specification. And also it has the managed entities branch, as we have seen. There is also the resources portal, which is always on admin side, because the resources are most probably infrastructure related, so the simple user cannot have access to this. And again, the resources are categorized through catalogs, categories, specifications, inventory. So these are the instances of resource specifications that are running, and resource pools and the reservation. I'm just flying through them because we will see them in practice. There is also the testing portal that someone can manage tests or inject, let's say, the tests logic in services, also mapped under TMF service test specification. So you can have test specification and running instances of test specifications. And last but not least, this is the NAV portal, and which is, let's say, a different look and feel, because this portal was the one that was initially originated for OpenSlice, and it comprises connection with underlying Mano providers with specific versions. It can have, then when some Mano providers are registered, there is a synchronization mechanism that provides and feeds all the registered VNFs and NSDs towards OpenSlice, and can provide also the list of the virtual infrastructure managers that these Mano solutions incorporate. So this is what someone can see, or the NSDs, the registered NSDs from this list is the ones that someone can see when imports from NSDs from the service portal. So as I've said, maybe we shouldn't go step-by-step walkthrough on how the service is designed, or at least the service that we're going to see is designed, because we will design it ourselves in the next phase. But most probably would like to see this being instantiated. For that, let me also take some time here. Actually, let me order it, and then most probably I have to expose it first. Actually, let's go, I will do it afterward. Let's go with step by step. So what we will want to see at this Hackfest was a 5G as a service, let's say, specification. So this is what you are expected to see after you complete the first version of the tutorial on the next session. So this is the 5G connectivity service. It will be injected with the username that will be provided so as to differentiate among us. And as you can see, this will be comprised of two services, one deploying UPF and one the rest of the core. and this is based on CRDs or Argo applications.